Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to clear cache of your console. In the beginning, let's turn off the console. You can do it by pressing this button, but I recommend it to turning off from the system. Now, to clear cache, we have to enter boot menu. So press and hold power button until you hear beep or 2 beeps. Release the button. And now we are in boot menu. Connect the controller. And now select clear cache and rebuild database. Now you can select clear system software cache or rebuild database. Confirm to perform cache clear. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.